can't decide which pajamas to bring with me.
It's a big decision to make for your first sleepover.
Panda! Thanks, Sammy. Just leave him there.
Maya is so busy packing, she's forgetting to pack someone very special.
But Maya, aren't you taking Panda? He always goes to bed with you.
I don't need to take him with me. I'm a big girl now.
How are things coming along, Maya?
All packed and ready to go.
Now, remember, Maya, just call us if you need anything.
Thanks, Dada.
I can come over at any time if you...
Don't worry, Dada. She'll be fine.
Oh, it seems this first sleepover is tougher for Mama and Dadago than it is for Maya. Maya-go has arrived at Emily Cher's house.
Hi, Emily Cher. Hello, Maya-go. Bye, Mama.
Oh, don't worry, she'll be just fine. Thanks, Mama Cher. We'll pick Maya up in the morning.
Emily Cher is helping Maya-go to unpack her bag.
I love your pajamas, Maya.
Thank you. I don't wear pajamas. I wear a nightdress. This one was my mama's when she was little. Ooh, it's very pretty.
I wore it on my first sleepover when I was a girl.
Did you bring a suitcase with you in your first sleepover?
Yes, I did. In fact, it looked just like your suitcase, Maya. And I brought my favourite teddy bear, Flopsy.
I didn't bring Panda with me, but he'll be okay for just one night.
I'm sure he's a very brave panda. It's dinner time. Who's feeling hungry?